Sion. I'm a co-founder of the fashion brand Black and Gold. Me and Nicolas, it was a friend since I was 6 years old. We started in 2014 with just the idea to create an event because we want to earn some additional college money in a way. My parents itself were also entrepreneurial people, so it was always giving a boost to create something or try something new. So we started with one event, and it was in a local club in Sint-Niklaas where we lived at that time, and it was a success. At that time it was calling The Good Life. The summer next to that we went on a vacation trip to Mexico. In that time when we were there was Dia de los Muertos. So it's a festival to honor the dead people. It was in a way totally different culture than what we had in Belgium. That was also the reason why we thought it was a great idea to bring it into the Belgium nightlife, to have something different, to have a different atmosphere. The name Black and Gold was coming from black from the Latin word of dead, and gold was related to the marigold flower that is used during Dia de los Muertos to honor dead people with new life. We adapted the name The Good Life to Black and Gold, and that was the start of a new kind of events with a different vibe, of course. And during the events we start thinking about cross-selling. So we bought some bracelets. At that moment it was a hype a little bit in Belgium, like men accessories. It was really starting, coming from Italy. So if they bought like 5 bottles of drinks, they get a free bracelet, and then after time, of course, we start selling them, and it became a success. So out of that we decided to start a web shop.